What is up, guys? And today, the tutorial video for predicting the future. You guys seem to really like the performance video. Got some great responses, so now we're gonna do the tutorial video for predicting the future. So let's get just straight into the tutorial. The first thing you're gonna need to do is a slight setup. So you're gonna have to choose a card that you want to predict, the card that you're gonna force on your spectator. In this case, I chose the 5 of spades. Then once you've picked that card, it can be any card you want, doesn't matter which. I chose to write it down on a piece of paper, which you then fold up and put into your card box. It's very easy setup. That's all you have to do. Fold it up like so. Open up your card box. And like you saw in the performance video, I just left it here at the corner of my card mat just to give that extra effect of it being there throughout the entire performance video and the prediction being there the entire time. Although since I'm performing the trick, moving my hands with my cards, the spectator most likely won't notice the box first, but then once I bring attention to the box, you interest your spectator, the spectator is going to wonder, like, what's up with this box? And then you're going to have the amazing reveal. So that's the quick setup you have to do, and now let's just get into the actual card maneuvers. Okay, so now we're just going to start going through the trick step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is find the card that you've chosen to force on the spectator. Mine was the 5 of spades. If we can find it here, and it's already actually at the top. Just place your selected card, in my case 5 spades, at the top of your deck, like so, and then now your deck is set up. Now the first thing I like to do is to do a kind of false riffle shuffle. Riffle shuffles are very easy to turn into false shuffles because it's so easy to keep the top card the top. All you have to do is prepare your riffle shuffle, and you know how when you start to riffle the packs together, all you have to do is make sure that the right pack, the pack with your selected card at the top, that you start riffling those cards first. So I just let those cards go, and you can see now that I have my selected card at the top of the pack, so it's still here. Very easy to do, and it's very effective for spectators because the riffle shuffle is a shuffle that looks like the deck got very well shuffled, and it did, although it's very easy to keep one card at the top. So now you've done the riffle shuffle. After that, I always like to add another false shuffle just to add extra certainty. I like to do the triple false cut. I recently did a tutorial on the triple false cut, which is very easy to do. So if you want to know how to do the triple false cut, be sure to check out that video. So just do another false shuffle, it doesn't matter which one. And now the spectator thinks that your deck is very well shuffled, even though your selected card should still be at the top. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a swing cut to divide the deck into 2 packets. So just swing cut over. Then the bottom packet, which doesn't include your selected card, you can just place down. So you can say to your spectator, okay, so now I'm going to separate the deck. I'm going to place one half here. Then you're going to bring your other hand over, and all you're going to have to do is palm the top card. Palming is very easy. You just you can even do a pinky break here. So when you the top card, when you swing the cards over, like so, and you bring here, you can even already then prepare pinky break, doesn't matter what. You can riffle through the back of the cards to select a single card, and then you just palm the top card, like so, so that the spectator can't see you have a card in your hand, and you can transfer it. Now what you can do is place on this pack and say, now you can pick a packet. Letting the spectator have an option, or at least seem like they're affecting the trick, gives a really good effect to it, and it raises their astonishment at the end of the trick. So you let them pick a pack, it doesn't matter which one. They pick one, and you just put your hand on it, transferring your selected card to the top. So let's say they pick the right one. You just say that you get rid of this packet. Now what we're going to do is the Hindu card force. I also did a tutorial on this along with the triple false cut. So once again, be sure to check out that video to learn how to do the Hindu card force. You can once again choose any card force you want, but for this trick I did the Hindu card force. So we're just going to start doing the card force. Oh, hold on, sorry. I skipped a step actually. So before you're going to do the card force, you're going to want to transfer the top card to the bottom of the packet. If your card force does not require you to transfer the card, most certainly don't do that. But if you're going to do the Hindu card force or another card force that does require the card to be at the bottom, you can just do a regular side shuffle like so. And make sure that you only swipe the top card on its own, and then you can just regular shuffle like so. And now we've transferred the card to the bottom. Now we can do the Hindu card force. So we just do our card force, in this case the Hindu card force. We swipe through the cards, they select it, we place it on top, and they've selected this card. So now they think that throughout, we started with shuffling the deck, we even let them choose between two packets. They think they've chosen a completely random card, although we know that we've completely forced this card onto them in a very elaborate process. So now we have the 5 of spades, and you can have this whole story of, well, you probably think right now that you have chosen and selected your own random card, but I actually have this magical power that allows me to predict the future. And then you can now reference to the box over here, and you can say, well, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've had this card box, and it's been here the entire time. And you just open it up, you take out the paper, you unfold it, and you say, I have just predicted the future. And I can guarantee that the spectator will be astonished at this point. You just predicted their card. The prediction was in the box the entire trick, and they'll be astonished. And this, at the end, is a very great, very effective trick. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you all next time.